Hello everyone, it's good to be back. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our normal tropical weather analysis. This is for today, Tuesday until Friday, November 18 to 21, 2025 English version. And if you're looking for the Tagalog version, there's a link up here. Just click on it. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. We would like to also thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainability. If you're interested, just click on the link here. And if you're watching via Facebook, just go to the description of this video for more info about BPI. And also, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Leno Robredo and our Honorable Vice Mayor Gabi Bordado. So before we begin, I would like to apologize for not giving you updates for the past 1 week since we are bombarded by Typhoon Yuan last November 9, and the internet has become slow, so we couldn't update or upload any videos. And this is just this weekend the line has been fixed. Although we have posting over Facebook and our website, but so far we are good. In the next video, we will be posting the frost analysis, the rainfall amounts, the wind speed, the gustiness that has been recorded here in Naga City, since most of our weather stations are located here. There are some across the Bicol region that has conked out due to low battery life. Okay, but so far so good. We are okay now. This helped the victims of Partido and Catanduanes, because these are the area greatly affected by the passage of Yuan. I hope everybody will be back to normal soon with the help of the government and other agencies that are helping hand in hand. So so far for the next 2 weeks, everything is fine. We have only the usual easterly wind flow, easterlies. Okay, there's nothing we can. There's nothing here in the Western Pacific. It's all clear. We have here a couple of tropical waves moving across Palau, and a thunderstorm, part of the easterlies, that have been passing over the Bicol region and parts of Visayas and Mindanao every afternoon or during mid-morning. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear. And here's the zoom-in satellite animation. This is the infrared. As you can see, we have patches of localized thunderstorms here over Bicol region, bringing some showers and rainfall, thunderstorms as well, and over Mindanao and the Visayas. And for the wind forecast, this is for today until the next 5 days. We're not going to deal with the forecast for more than 5 days, since it's highly uncertain. So right now we have a blast of the northeast monsoon, gale force winds of up to 60 kph gustiness, affecting extreme northern Luzon, Taiwan Strait, and the northern portions of the West Philippine Sea or South China Sea area. And we have easterlies here blowing across the country, bringing some good weather, but there are some patches or passing rain showers and thunderstorms during midday and in the afternoon or evening. Okay, so that will be the situation for the next 5 days. And by tomorrow, Wednesday, the northeast monsoon will start to dig down more to the portions of Ilocos region. And on Thursday to Friday, November 20 and 21, it will start to weaken, but still bring some cooler breeze over extreme northern Luzon, Cagayan Valley. And on Saturday, that wind system will still be there over Batanes and will start to weaken on Sunday. And we have here a possible tropical wave. This is likely going to move towards the Mindanao and Visayas. Will bring again rain showers and thunderstorms across these areas. So that's the forecast for the next 5 days. If we are going to extend here between November 24 to December 2nd, there's nothing to show you here except for the northeast monsoon continuing to affect extreme northern Luzon, there's a possibility of a shear line developing in the next couple of days. Going to show it to you. And during the last week or the last few days of December, there might be some northeast monsoon penetrating over the eastern sections of Luzon, just north of Bicol, affecting Polillo, and a possibility of a shear line here come last few days of November until December 2. Okay, so far there's no tropical cyclone formation, no active LPA over the Pacific right now, so nothing to worry for the next 2 weeks. But we will give you the very latest once we see some developing low pressure systems over the Pacific. Just don't mind those alarmists putting some weather information, since those are from the American model and other long range models, which is very uncertain as of this time. Okay, and here's the rainfall for the next few days. So again, just like I said, because of the ongoing weak La Nina, we are experiencing daily rainfall, particularly in the afternoon or evening across the eastern sections of Luzon, also here of Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao, as you can see here. And that will persist, especially during the afternoon or evening. And on Saturday and Sunday, beginning Friday, okay, November 20, 21, November 21, 22, and 23, we'll be seeing a possible shear line here over Cagayan Valley, particularly the eastern and northern sections of Cagayan. Okay, so that's the rain forecast, the 3 hourly rain forecast. For the 24-hour rainfall accumulation, it looks like the extreme northern parts of Luzon will have some showers and possible thunderstorms of up to 50 millimeters per day. That is the forecast, and that will persist for the next couple of days, likely until Sunday, okay, due to the northeast monsoon and the possibility of a shear line down up here. Okay, now let's take a look at the Google Earth forecast. For long range, there's nothing over the Western Pacific for the next 5 days. There's a cyclone here over Australia, the northern territory, which is common during this time of November, start of the cyclone season or typhoon season over the area, okay, south of the equator. And over the Philippines, there is a possibility of a low pressure system here, okay, right here. And then it's going to cross the Visayas on Tuesday, November 25. But the European model doesn't show anything, just a possible tropical wave or a low pressure system. And remember, these forecasts are highly uncertain as of this time, since we don't have any LPAs out there. As for the wave forecast, so far, the waves over the northern part of Luzon, extreme northern Luzon, Batanes, and the West Philippine Sea. This is gonna be a heights of up to. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, up to 4 meters in wave heights. This is due to the northeast monsoon. While here across the East Philippine Sea, we have light to moderate waves of up to 1.5 meters over the central waters of our country, up to about a meter. Okay, this is light waves here, and the rest of the West Philippine Sea, including Calayan Island Group, will have wave heights of up to 2 meters because of the northeasterly wind flow. So basically, the northeast monsoon will start to bring higher waves over the East Philippine Sea. And these large waves, due to the northeast monsoon, will continue to persist over the east of Luzon, over the Philippine Sea, the areas of extreme northern Luzon, and over the West Philippine Sea as well. So it will persist until the weekend. Okay, so until Friday, we'll be seeing here wave heights of up to 3 meters from the east of Bicol region up to the east of Cagayan. So far, fishermen who wants to have some fishing about 100 kilometers away from the mainland will have to take precautions and not to venture out to sea because of large waves generated by the northeast monsoon. Over the central waters of the country, it will remain calm to light waves, and so far this is the area with good sea conditions. Okay, now let's move to our latest La Nina advisory. This is the latest last November 13 issued by the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. We have a weak La Nina occurring right now across the globe. And based on what we are seeing right now, it will persist through the winter months of the Northern Hemisphere. And here's right now is the official NOAA CPC ENSO probabilities issued just this November. And right now we have at 84% of a La Nina for October, November, and December. And November, December, January, it will start to weaken. And by February of next year, will be a possibility moving into normal trends. So right now, we are on the peak of the La Nina. It will start to go down. And then come January, February, March, we will be back to neutral conditions. So expect more rainfall than usual, okay, across the country, even without tropical cyclones. We have the Easterlies, the shear line, as well as the northeast monsoon, which will generate rainfall. Let's hope that there will be no tropical cyclone formation during the next couple of weeks until Christmas time. So there you go. That's the quick update. We will be back this weekend for another Weather TV information about our Western Pacific and the Philippines. This is Mike Padua saying good day. Have a great week. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.